Alright friends, so just a quick tool tip here. Something I went years and years without knowing about. I've been doing this here a long time, since, well, I was pretty much raised in this work. But I can remember my first jobs. Actually, my first full-time job as a diesel mechanic. I would struggle like crazy to get these hoses off of things. Just old, crusty old hoses that need to be replaced. You can't get that thing off of there. And I would twist and pull, and I'd wind up, putting some pliers or channel locks on it, tearing it up, just trying to get it. And I went several years like that and worked around old timers, and I just can't believe no one ever told me about it. But a friend introduced me to the hose hook, and this one's a snap-on, but I actually made my first one out of an old screwdriver. Just put a 90-degree pointed end on it like that. But it's one of my most useful and beloved tools. If you'll get that thing just in there and just work it around all the way like that. Hello. So definitely one of my faves. And you can usually save the hose. I mean, it doesn't have to be an old crusty hose to be stuck on there. A perfectly good hose that you want to reuse. Big radiator hose or charger cooler hoses on a diesel. Or anything, hydraulic, you name it. You just carefully get under it. And you can hear it breaking loose. Be careful not to put a hole in the hose. These hoses are trash, so I don't care, but there it is. If I wanted to reuse that, I could, because I didn't ruin it. Alright, hope that helps with you. By the way, they make one that's shaped, instead of having like a 90 on it, it's a double 90, so the point comes back around this way. And that's for getting like heater hoses or a hose against the firewall. You get in there and work it around, works great. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Click the like button, subscribe for more content. You know what to do. Grace and peace, friends.